Mickey, what do you mean? Oh, I better not tell me. Let's go. Don't I'm saying. Yeah, do I'm saying.
I'm there.
Oh. Why you consider essay? You know, any water. Oh, I need gastro. Mulo.
How go differ?
Why you want to go short? I don't know if I'm going to run go.
Yeah. I don't do on any game. You call like Joy ka general.
Why ka general?
Una utotakaza ka general.
Ti, ndo twachizhamba. Zosokofunga vakurora handela zofiwa. Twasina chedu ita antu angi. Edaka VIP. Ono bana chucha VIP. Mara aya ka general. Ndizoite yawo.
Ndo renga icha general.
Ndo renga na wewe Mara ufuna abasanifareso.
Utobori boy. Riata banyo.
Muloba.
Singapore.
Ona video ya mumuntu so wako perform ashtonga maro mtu onoja ko leti phone azifani. Ozoro ino nitonga.
Tingo perform.
Ono ya buku gastro mara.
Wa buku wa mutu gastro.
But ono perform maso kete baito sana. Ati tidina zo concept yoni yani ti.
I don't think wa buku wa mutu apala pet.
Wo kuita me. So
you can just go and showcase your talent there.
Or even it's in a mic in go Jen.
Yeah, I got number na mizo na rendo to the perform. I think that's what happens. I don't think wabu kwa motoring. That's why na line up is happy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Vibes market. The archers is. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in.
Don't know the Ray podcast city. In a Mudzimungo.
And that's all cool.
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll do. And the roof was on 3. Rose of Hanu, I did a company chair.
I'm sitting this MickeyBlack, who I've been trying to get for the longest now. Did your bag for guy? Rovar. Then in that rain, did your bag? Oh, guy. No, don't matter, Venda. Oh, okay, I'm in your bag every time.
So then, do you visit my brother or I'm going there for some studio sessions?
Studio sessions? You guys are eating, eh?
No.
You can just wake up and I'm going to Joburg. Uvafwani. Ubona chelede.
Iba isi oroko to kocha.
Na ningazi kocha ni msino ya Loisi. Nawe nashuka ngi, you know, it's all you.
Yeah. Ubos na chelede. Rwako to yero ri push a brand eti ri wanidzi features nonzinedza do push za risange.
Okay, I forgot. But then back to you guys. Thanks for tuning in. As I was still saying, I'm still there. Said MickeyBlack. When pana is bagete. Afano. Don't worry, I see I'm going to the camera. Afano zipo. Oh, no, it's bucket. Yeah, so coming to you live from MR21 head office. Hanefa Chikudi corner Malamlele Road NR 524. So if you go to the that's why you're complaining. So why are you Chicago complaining? Why pano mochari like now you go the net mini fuzi mochari.
Out to dawa relaxa wadzura wala kurwanga mweko fresh yayo nokojena ngapa
mara una pedo dzura ngapa. There's a deck on the other side. I'll ask for you if you can come and chill. Zoka ke nyaofa. Hey. Oh, nena go off. Ni mtu atafana wako off upira. Mara.
It wouldn't make sense. Petu never to badaba kudu. Tusuori da funwa ba nenda bandu dzura nepa ndikujena content ndonakerera ndoto.
Actually you'll be on the other side where there's a fountain and all the tii uko bona land. Land is just like for what wanoko fira vaivoni na rineri pe ku sound nyana.
Doesn't make sense.
Imagine there's a beautiful side there.
The place is beautiful, very beautiful.
Look at us now. We're tonga rintuni. Rumosharani. Exactly. So I know that's already. No. Remember now, we're dead and
Ruvaronga stand.
Anina Ruvar. Anina Ruvar.
Hai nende nalo ndingasikone.
Okay, yeah guys, so ndene ve March 21 people avakozvona nerikoshuta nepa gore usikopera. Unoona traffic ngantani azvezvo watu vakoitiswa ngachipato chino. Sazve dzimwe zigesti dzonohamba murauro. Hey, happy to watu vadoita traffic mwanyagovona. So if you wanna come and see this beautiful place, na MickeyBlack utozvwa ine smajes ukotopa section ine haichimbi na 5 seconds. Utokori wa fedzi ukopa zvezvo, but then yeah, it's a good space ndeni vone onakerera, and then I want to divana the packages that they offer, all their services from the funerals to insurance, all those things. Kana niva fonele karani kule ka 015 151 0251 kana 0252. And also if you wanna get the content, your top class also for your videos or anything that has got to do with live streaming as event zoyongo pambana, contact Panda Studios on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com, and they'll be able to assist you kachiona ching. So yeah, back to you inonoko waruvalo. I knew waruvalo. How are you, Mara?
I am good.
See? What do you mean when you say I'm good? You mean good coming? I think I should normalize this question. What was going now? I'm good, rapira. I
am healthy.
Nimtakaro ti?
Zabudu ndinandishira I'm good and not koribori. Atiko vaisara, atiko for pain, atiko for vava.
Or whether for at some point of Mara zomzana mwana mu. That one makes sense.
Yeah, but as zvinenda ngari ndikubudiswa ndato to gungurori achitu vashapu. Ndishapu mara there's something. Wavana uri ndibudiso fi how are you? Ndire I'm not good. Atisharp. It's not something that normally happens. It's something that's happening at that moment. Kana zvafe sese.
Nyago nyana ti? Finga zinji no, not even nyana. Bread igotenda. Igotenda arani yago. Uko guyo guys. Aona ndengwe ndibichiro nyaso. Yeah. So anyways, if you're saying you're good, then we also good this side. Now also gombuzisa, but then yeah. So still speaking of gastro, rikotoma akamuzore fumini. You're not performing also. So do you normally go to gigs now as a performer?
No.
Ndimizo udote yombona. Kana ndela pachuri ndimizo udote yombona. So hey, randi yangi.
Bane. No. Yeah. Ndichitomo ya gastro ti ndo ya lishikadeba lobona. Like lishikadeba likobona.
Oh, lishikadeba lobola.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
Lishikadeba likobona.
Yeah.
And obo who chilled, like una muya wa fresh air unokotorera zvawo
bichestori. Because that's what you mentioned also ngapha bethu. Oh, there's fresh air.
Ndiyafuna fethu ne aba. Namso una bathu mara who chilled.
Pano bathu vaone ndoto kuika dopa. Right?
Ndinaruvaro.
Sorry.
Ndinaro.
I don't know, Ninaruvaro.
So,
yeah.
Ndichiya lolo thoma obo ushapu. Uskutamba muzika. Ushapu.
Oh, before it got popular, romodala food.
Yeah, but I think nenda from over popular. But that's a little dara is lanzune na wananga ngomu una bathu mara nichibvera ndana wana una limwe line lulula for bad. But hai chiba udara. So
kodiri kamzitela zora ndisoko event nangwewo ndisongobidziwa. Just because support my fellow artists nje, because there's also that. Vathina vanongoshumisana navo throughout the year.
Aye. Ndingwe gigine ka Venda ndingai attenda ndotenda peer pressure yantsikereza ndai attenda.
Which other one did you try at peer pressure yana?
Hey, tuzavatu. Tuzavatu.
No, I mean korobuzisa. Okay, events are Venda I mean. Rinabo Blomanati, those ones. Have you been to Blomanati?
No, I haven't. Chimunga chote ndachizamu uya ne, but then hachi does something.
Okay, and Snip Sunday is on here, right?
And then I
Arro gumene for look at tukefuna ndikushavuchwisi mara. Strong zvinomafunga ngo. Nah, it's fine man. Yeah, what you attend this big support as the fellow artists like I was still saying. I mean, na Snap uteyoya. Muloboboya.
Tabandi gastro Kingsley.
Ndi hafu.
Hayi.
Why but vachibotomoya ntu gastro fera Snap. Azvishapu zvinovena kuita. Asiluvalo those two.
God help me.
What's wrong?
No, nothing is wrong.
Oh, okay, let's come back to you. Richard as the gig is in
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start with you and the name MickeyBlack. It's always been a thing where you can okay. Madina ngat afesa say yeah or okay. We given the chief also like if we given. And then is Mickey your name kana it comes from somewhere else and then agona pangwana the black.
With Mickey ndizina loto itiwao because now Phathutshedzo sings and she needs to.
Phathutshedzo. It's funny.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ndizina loto because Phathutshedzo sings and she needs a stage name. So Chikoroni and Dandichi, we were 2 girls in class and apparently people said Rene Riafana which is Smaila. So another one has una smiley marandicha normala. Ne I have a bigger smile. Chonongacha Mickey Mouse.
Oh.
So the other girl actually Miley. And then it's Mickey. So then when I started the music journey, I was like, no man, there's a name I used to be called. It's Mickey. But I don't want it to sound American. I want it to remain
Mickey sounds American to you.
Yeah, it sounds there. Imagine around Wandori Mickey Mila.
Okay, I can't remember.
So I had to put the black.
Why black, Mar? Of all the colors. Also, guys, now we saw very black how you guy. Actually, yeah, none to be understood. Mara, are you show me?
Yeah, so black is because I'm black.
Black is in what you're African kind of you think you are black.
Black, I am black, I am African. The black represents Urenendi Dimu Africa, Dimu black.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how comes where I go to music? Our number then because you needed a stage name. So how was it in when do you actually start the music journey?
I think it was 2020. If
COVID.
not late 2019.
Yeah. I go prepare asa kuliwa chitu. COVID.
Hasa kuliwa chitu. Hasina chitu. Rakotogoba.
Yeah.
Rakokonda.
And then from there, ugo toma music, like what inspires it? Like ngase go rindi toma music and I'm snanendo radiso. I'm sitting for you for my chondo toma music. If it starts now, there's probably like some things that are there at the back. Just to rindi go toma music and probably someone or something. So with you, what was the story behind that?
Ayani we mini musical family. My brother reads instruments, keyboard, guitar. My dad by imba and my late mother by she imba nabo. So for me, I saw it being done at home.
Yeah.
But I never thought I can also do the singing.
Yeah.
But then it was abona event chikoloni. And then aboko practice what holoni chikolo. And then ndambo dibandika kwa area pala. Abantu babasokoto dotoma rimbo.
Onwakadedzana.
Ndambo dirutoma. Ndichirutoma rimbo mwana wana otakara man.
Uri na courage yotoma kana uri nyakunemba because ringatakera zviviri.
Uri ndifonga riva kuri ndingasivambere tiri. Mara ndifonga riva kudara ngori mini umwana ukokono imba kana ukuritakaza ndifana zviranda nepala na zvisimba.
Watomoda lozopoza chede zinonga za.
Ndatopiwa fi ene ukukonesa machero adhari mbera ngetanhoro vwani. So from there on I was like, oh zvambori zvine mana didiva zvitana ndiyazvikona. So it means baby steps. Then that's where I started singing at worshiping teams, youth choirs, choirs.
And then I came back to leader na vankana vachikita chimta back in vocalist because I feel like if when you wanna kuimba what number ni javari konita kusana vantha uskele.
Itova mchinchano ndimusierisano. Mlimodovani afara mic na imapanda limodovana asierisana napa bangwe space. Ba imba.
Okay, and then you start singing. And then when do you actually like come through? Karinera tumuzo. Hey, now there's a MickeyBlack or like Phathutshedzo.
So it continued ndishimba kadzi worship team na the youth choir. And then there came a time wherein at first I was like ndikotodoba a backup singer. At least arare hafi ndingaba a backup singer ya Rupa Manyaka kana Takindo. I think the Dofori, yeah, the Dofori no shikere and the Dofori I'm doing something with my voice. And then I contacted this other guy. Then that guy amboding tumanisa na this guy on VanGee. So we are bangani. And then from there on we are bangani.
Wait, VanGee.
Yeah.
Uvi VanGee.
Yeah, and then the ambisa zezo.
Enem normi.
And David ne.
Ela David normi ni mtu ana eta ndi VanGee hapa, ndi VanGee. Uri ndi
And then
VanGee.
the VanGee.
Okay, mara ya auna ni ditenda azvifa kuvidziwa.
Tenda azvipa.
Yeah.
So ndichimu tanganiswa naye atomunsendera the beat. That's when I had to start to learn umwana dzinyimbo uri nimwarisa hani. You can't repeat one word for 10 times. You need to construct uri mbori kwamba ngamini rukwaya guy right son. That's when ndiye atontusesa in the music industry in terms of nditotanyira guy kazi producer studio mini. I remember fimini dwalo thoma ndichia studio obo hunna ene na this other guy on fito kufala na Lion, and then we went there ndandochuwa.
What you mean? Uri watu abane abadivi. Kind of like it's just
I
the
think
first time.
even that, but also Urin is the first time experiencing studio mic singing. And that's as deep in the so wana kazinepe kazi video uko imbiwa tizi deep.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm like ndidozvikona. What if ndasvika ngendabiswa ndava ndisakuimba zvone zvulani zvendava ndikuimba ndiya yaniko practice ndava ndisichazvimba. Ndafuranga majurujuru ndafango, but then ndichisvika enge those guys were really friendly. Ndaimba rimburanga rotom.
Which one was it?
I don't feel nothing better.
Do I know nothing better? Ruoneka dzinto kazi streaming platform.
No, I don't know. I think so. I don't know. I don't know.
Arucheo. Nama udzira kuti chekona. Loro visual.
I think into this raro viswanga DistroKid. So I stopped paying the DistroKid, so I think it took down the songs. I think the if you because I created another DistroKid because that one already but it needed some real money. And I didn't have it.
I get it. Yeah, and then akamuzori fini VanGee omupadzi the advice, so this is what you do. Be on the lookout for such things. So this was the advice they had just for hey, this is don't do, and then they're actually working for you now because you've been at it now. And the car koni power. This is your advice. Not advice if you are living.
No, man. He looked out for me as a brother, that guy, to say, look out for boys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, especially in the music industry. Hey, I did try going to some studios around Vani Mara. Obo chiva nori the studio da recorda chivo humera yano bombo fi bene sabe kutenda sakota toda muzika. Ndakatoda uri nana ine rotobonisa na zvimwe.
Ngabati bayena ne fanera badiva.
Badivi ai.
Ori vala.
Vwani.
Ori vala be Vwani marona boy. Vwani azvita muzika auto fimini mara if mngamda chidwa
tu studio.
If mnda chidwa tu rana studio Vwani neri budzo rinda fipa ne vanga vachite zvosto. Be mtu waduma nanga chituri oyo wadozofi ubidza vazana uri aite zvawa. But then anyways, so yeah, and then I get advice namini, and then now that you are this big, I mean, I quote and azukonana because now they're like, hey, you know, how popular. Because remember at Fadao okay, record that kayoka deva musha, wanyago mupura, wanyago ota, and there's no wanyago. And then now ono duma, they wanna do it because you're famous. So now those two, it's still going on.
Nah, it's going on, but it's not people from the music industry. Yeah, I think today, Mara, tanganisi nazo from my colleagues. vane ndaimba navo kana I'm aspiring to sing with. Zvine zvatoita ndizvo TikTok na Facebook za vatu vono kodanga dzi hey hi good.
Yeah.
Na mina zvote zvine I just look ndapuka. There's nothing I can do. Yeah.
Yeah. And then akamazori Vuan I mean a studio ti. So I'm trying to think okay, you come out from Vuan, you come okay, I know achita zvembiwa. And then also there's probably some other people that they do sing uvaninge mara we don't normally know them. So there's you there from Vuan. I don't know if una vamwe. But vanga ngidiva upfinyina. The Benin doctor, I'm telling them Diva said young gave you. So those are some of the few people. But then with you, I mean you're doing good. I mean, how do the people receive you? They give one is not hey home to Ashes, you know. Rotu is like do they still see you as that MickeyBlack and watching Diva Matomoni? Kana like one Tomoni Viangenta?
I think when I was starting, they never saw me. So when I Dishitomo Ufiwa, they didn't see me coming. So they were like, most of the people ndishitangana nawo namzishitangana nawo angevua ni spa mambo ndiene ene ufudzura pano udzura pano zvokuma ndiri ndidzura pano afiyo hango ndopedza fudzura pano ndasitende apo udzura ngangetsina hashu so musi ndichitomo pfarai abongo zoba a shock to them because they never saw me and now I think some of them are still in disbelief mara go kareta kure nenda benda chibona ngarodzura kure bad.
Yeah, that's what they all do. Yeah. And then also in the industry now, how was the reception? Uvakawa to one in the industry. You are a female also, which is another thing.
Hi. It was the reception was not bad,
but it was also not good because you would have said it was good.
Yeah, but I really can't put judgment on the reception. Honestly speaking, I think reception yoba hela yori. Okay, now what's next? What are you gonna do now? After this,
so you're gonna be one hit wonder, kind of.
Yeah, but most of the people in the music industry, I think, they believe in me so much because I always get compliments at gigs to say, "No, man, you're doing great. Don't stop. You know, just keep going." Yeah.
And then which one was your best feature? I should have Jen, and then you're like, I haven't feature and one as you know. I feel like I'm in and I'm not Jen. I think I said one as people thought maybe it becomes really a routine to go to Jen. Done that.
When I was starting or Uvazino or Shikazino.
No, I just got trauma. Feature here for okay, you could have the best one in Neonovanayo lately, but then from there, I just got trauma. Where as for no, not Jen can industry.
Road Kid, MickeyBlack featuring Road Kid Kwanele. That was my second single.
I feel like I don't know some of the songs. Hey, you could give us a new bone, Shati.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think that's what people do. But finally, the venue cut one number of
yeah, and most of the people, the bachitanga and never. Yeah, and una muzimu ba mufuna ngondo otothoma imba zvino ambo the number apara. Ndipashimba bade zvitu. Ori abendi kare ndikoimbelela bathu bamuzimu ndikare ndikoshambira. Tungothoma namusi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think Zenda for and now I'm in and the song goes stop. It was when I featured Rootkid Venda on that Kwanele song.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that time basa baba kufara and bachiko rap esa. Dichiko bafunesa. Yay. Poko diama ngoma freestyle yo.
Yeah, I think she's a TikTok person. Yeah. And then also wait, Casablanca after how long? Oyimbanand. Na Rootkid. Because I feel like I think Narumona Casablanca. Never to move to each one and ding. MickeyBlack. And I thought I'm trying to Venda. Upper line. I was like, oh, so you're after how long? After Vincent to Rootkid?
I think it was after months, man.
Just after months?
Many months. I don't know how many months, but many months.
And then how was it for you? Like, I feel like, that song was big, man. Okay, Atishonga, the Kwanele one, but then also that one, this one has
Well, there's
those proper
one
visual.
weird thing about that song. I didn't like the song.
Casablanca.
Yes.
Why?
That's not MickeyBlack.
Who's that?
I don't know. Because if you listen to Casablanca and listen to my songs, it's too different.
Why then?
All those songs, it's too different. So what happened? Let me explain what happened.
Thanks. Sorry.
I went to studio. I think Nandoya or recorder project Zanga. I spoke to Papi. I'm like, I want to record some of my songs. Can I please come and record in your studio? I was like, no, Megamind is also around, so no problem. I went there. When I went there, I recorded under Peza. And it was time for me to go now. Ne? And then Papi is like, no, man, there's a beat that we want you to try. And then, okay. Usually, they were confident to bring anything, man. Bring anything, I can kill it.
You got confidence so easily?
Yes, I bring anything. I am myself hype man. Yes.
So
I'm like, no, man. Okay, fine. Ndikori tamba nelantu. Aba kuitamba. Hey, confidence yava from 100 to 2%.
Why? Were you scared of the beat?
Yes, that's a true. Izvakontodori ndinge ndikorepa nyana and not rapi mina I sing.
Yeah.
And if ndando imberera palani ndando chinya mtambo and tiko todo chinya mtambo ngori papape vangi recommendesa tiko nyango badisa.
Yeah. Level mtu only recommend ndira chingana chinwe chinena call.
Yeah, van recommendesa ava mtu ndido ba disappoint ndari okay ndari we ndabasedza ndavachira ajene yamthemba.
Adiye.
Ndiyamthemba.
Right into. Kaipi? Yeah.
Okay, fine. Ndadzura pasi, ndafara phone. Usually I don't spend more than 10 minutes in this adizo ndungware mini. But
you write in studio?
Yeah.
Anytime?
Yeah, ndotoma ndisangwari in studio though. That's a score. But Rishia, it's more fun when you're writing in studio. Yeah. Nda spend 10 minutes ndisakodazo ndungware mini. Hey, ndabaseza wala bathu bothe. That's one sorry. Bako rindera mikichichirwa. And MickeyBlack.
Ajina zoro. Mwanangu dana tamu mara.
That okay, fine. Ndabaseza. Utanga papape vangawa uri umwana dizora imbe ngamini. Bara akachiso ko imba nga starata nepa na mahalwa na munati. Hai, vachitoambezo ndavagava. Ndari okay. Okay. Sharp. Ndamwara. Ndichimwara. Okay, fine. Ndari. Guys, ati DBT. Mara, I don't know mbambudzi ni mbuzi zondo mbambudzi. Mara, I don't know. Let me just try. Afika imbe. Ndaimba ka Mikey. Afika dobe. Ndadoba futa. I think ngaro ita 3 takes.
Uchifika dobe zamba wakufuru flop paka yo Tom arazamizo queen.
No, sometimes uvo ndo flop ati. Mara sometimes ndezwa zori karibe na option dzo valao. Yeah. Mara sikuvisa petu ntiko ndibando flopa. Ndingadeba ndo flopa ka yo Tom.
Ndo flopera. Ndo flopa queen.
Atingo ndo flopesa mara ndo flopa mara tingo ndo flopesa. Kongwana. So yeah, I think Roger takes the 3. And ndichipezo imberera ndadzura pasi. Ndishtonga ndisatojena pasi ya ground because I don't even want to listen to what I saying because I don't know if they're gonna like it. They might actually not like it. Rambo ditambi ora rimbo ndikuimberera manini yawala watunda wanapotakala mwana wanotakala.
Wazo kambiwa abeni wanotakala re abazi kufana chito so abemzika waro no kambiwa una yeso.
Mara haika.
I like this song is good, man.
Yeah.
It's a good song.
It's a good song and I had to be like, no man, people are loving the song. Why shouldn't I love the song?
So you started loving it.
Yeah, and I started loving it and I also started performing it. It's just that because it's not me, when I'm performing the song, I don't even know what to do in stage.
Maybe in the hair.
Yeah.
It's
cool.
music video yako ita auna zvako ita kusoko
That's go.
vachikunichinira kudhurubanga
Ndochina zvipiyondisa koni mara.
Yeah, but then I get it, man. I think, okay, do you always have that thing where atunya kuimba rimbo runene aturufili so ndito mandafila rimbo ndimbe zvamuri ezvo zvoteva na nyimbo nji zina zitubva also
I think zvononyita mara ndingastori I think zvononyita but I don't even TV ndatoma ndaimberera
oh
yeah, so with that one I was caught off guard because you know so with that one ndotofi adie nthu imwe na imwe ndamudidia so with other people mostly the one ndikosendera beat no man me and the beat we're not talking because we need to communicate ane so I be like soko senda imwe ndibone zvori ndingaitisa
anembori ndi flop beat nere soko nisenda imwe
ringazitutori ndi flop but bajia offense
mara I feel like ni vanhu kozvipera nthu femini muthu cause udofori wakona zvitu ifunza kumudza ngo cause ela beat udodo baita imwe nongene asendera mumwe limwe
ndimatada
ndino kuwisa muzika washo ngori ngotenda vatu vachita beat dza flop but then okay and then also with that akwama mudaya bana music video apa London like were you happy then ka music video or at least bo rimbo ndono rudowera ndogudisa urufuna zvino ndikurufuna zvino kuchita music video
I was happy, man. I was happy.
But
I was happy to be featured on the music video.
Did you know the actual song Yabukuma?
No, I didn't actually.
So ena kore remix remix of baro number of remix
Kingsley. I didn't know Uri there's an original song of it. Mina I just sang because remember what happened? Nando teacher beat in the studio. It was the first time. So then for
asuzona dzina laro ti?
Dzina laro tungobudziwa. Ndotosala ndichizvibona ronobva I think. Ndingadeba ndokwamba sizvone mara. But ndotofa beat in.
Ever blind ka beat.
Yeah. And beat. Ndisadzimbi futi. Ndisasvika naizvozvi.
Yeah.
But I didn't know the song. Yeah. It was later on. It was later on. Ndikotobudziwa uri no man. This song this song asi una original yaona. Yeah.
Noni madi. Aukatoda. Ndosako pese so wako. Sukubyaza chwisa yini zvitori rimora ro exist. But it's a good song and also I like the fact that wojia vapanga voice that Venda rirala starata ravu starata that's simple. So enakamuri okay that is not the type of music I wanted to do it and then abakamuri kenenyaga wo varabera all the songs that you have like what did you think your genre was going to be energy genre kamzika then
gospel.
Oh abona what
I felt uri okay ndando inyadza gospel, let me say it like that. I felt uri idini, it's not even expensive, it doesn't even cost anything. Ndito isvika ndafara mic ndaimba kabarendwe kabare ndandopedza
how the rimbo
shivone
voice ndiani
bare ndwe bare ndwe bare ndwe mukona zote
aliar logo gogo ligas asedo churi batiko what's goska sweet you're so good man.
Yeah, I am and I'll still do gospel.
Ropo Munyaga bizani mwana nimbe na anite ende umbasa ropo Munyaga lazo yo lazo tonga murena zila dizole vai bizaza uromio
zole mene Kingsley
da barida ya imamar no fani da roti ofali korene ndishapo yeah like yeah
mara songa ya studio
no resolve this one
amarona dzi auto tune zingamverify
yeah no solo yeah and then yeah akutuma manga dzi features so okay mana root kid yaita na mini and then you've had so many features you featured Womizo okay people boys like we're speaking of na root kid also you've done multiple songs with him night do you think he's the one that pushed you like Sakuma Kuma even after the first song that you did root kid do you think they only push out even after the first song that you did you and you're like okay and push and I mean mara there's so many men
yeah
that was a hit
the Tiko faces or wireless on Jena Song of the Year. When comes Tiko faces or wireless your Vocalists is the Song of the Year. Man agent.
Submit one.
Submit one. But remember about phone. I
know remember to submit you. Ngai munne waro. I remember no.
Aru. But about to text angeka Facebook.
Oh, I think nendo kwamba nganzo ngaza dzi awards.
Nendo kwamba za para chere.
Team awards ichima ndida para nazo.
Zoba one zichima.
No, na chimwa che last year I think we had chimas.
One did in do this year. I said this year.
That's when it comes to vote. Normally ndira Mara that's a good song. So you want it to be there, eh?
I shindando rufuno ruba onesha.
You think you've been sabotaged then?
No. System and the system in song for system ikorana niko sabotage. Auna sabotage in the system.
Ikorana ngandira yawo.
And song zamunya kuikakisa.
So how have the features been like? Zonompusha shuka guys features zote zwini as a whole like from Womizo, Root Kid na nezo zwini kudana feature.
Right.
Ka gospel.
Right.
Yes. Number one side.
Yes.
Sticker red.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ndingatori zo mpushesa especially na the bookings. Yeah, the songs that I've made with the people that I've featured.
Yeah.
And it zombe yaka nakunyagamba chikwa chisambi. Zombe yaka
Because I'm imagine how the budget feels you. And rather cut your patch, rather batun.
Hey. Zombe ya rubandeni for people to see that there is talent.
Yeah.
And the talent is running. And it needs to be supported. Yeah, so zone to sesa ndo kono na bupeni nyana nda kono chira kungwana
bakodo bupeni nyana isn't it enough for an artist?
No.
Or you feel like you deserve more?
Yeah.
See?
But I deserve more, so I need to work more. I feel like zine I am getting now ndi zine zvaringana what I worked. Kana ndi zvina zvaringana level ya mushumo wenda wisa vatu. I'm not sure if you understand.
Yeah, I think
so for me, knowing my aspirations, my goals, that's why in Dichi Jenny, sorry, I feel like I deserve more.
And then now back to the thing, to the features. There was also a rumor where how about I think there's a song here at the do you hear kana na rimbarusha baduruko deep and then all of a sudden I've some music video na Root Kid. What was the pain?
Anyway, the channel cha 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 ngore habe java dani cha cha cha.
Anyone can be able to make it. It was a wood. I read about those Indian audio for the film with them to see. Kadia.
The channel cha 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 ngore habe java dani cha cha cha. A titizo cha 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 ngore habe java ngan cha cha cha. Anyway. Funny afa. Anyway. Tanumbuza nintoda ninchiro eish ndangwa lyrics
unakubuza manyaka zamwe gospel acha ndangwa lyrics ne
eish yeah
the rumors You're a good singer, man. Yeah, I must give you that one. Like
Thank
you.
you.
Live because I took end up finding it sitting at the okay. Like you go for live. Yeah. Kudos to that.
The rumors of me and him fighting, those rumors, the rumors zenda baronozi ignore na nemone.
Yeah, na nero bedes ignore. Remember the movie za podcast.
Yeah, and me on my side speaking, the worry we are not fighting. And that's what I'm gonna say today. We are not fighting.
Then what happened with the
Because
music video?
even when we lalela Kingsley sakhuluma lana.
Kezo nako de chimtalo lulwambo angi Casablanca.
Eish.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
So, even me myself right now, I'm gonna say Yuri, we are not fighting. Because even when we meet,
Yeah.
Amba, we speak like everything is just okay and just fine. So I think problem yoba Yuri, I didn't market the song. Ane? Ufana na ngwana wa dedi, ari very opembera, na jina chukwa man. You saw us as the faces of the songs. Those songs that I just mentioned.
Yeah.
So we were pushing the songs. So what happened was that he contacted me and said, no man, I want to release this song. So when I want to release this song, I want us to meet for content and all that kind of stuff. Well, Dandi Jobek that time, actually Dandi PTA Central. And then I was busy with studio sessions going up and down. I didn't find the time to can say now we can meet for content because I know it's gonna take some time.
Yeah.
And that's why I was like, let me just keep quiet. Because he's my friend. Now you will understand. Angala are busy for the moment. Jambo, let's wait.
And he's also an artist. He should know.
Yeah, and I also told him that side. So and the first then nando mangala. After I posted the video ya renga renga, he started posting the song. That's when I was like, oh, you know what?
A number of the V's.
Yeah. Then I was like, no man, I'm not. I don't want to. Tinya gungandiko soso bedzaka nandikuta. I don't. Tianda na kakati. Ndiata wanyuru. Kwa hivyo na kuyeshiro islani mentosi. Ibta wanyuru.
Zani ka TikTok. I don't know what TikTok is doing.
But I was like, no man.
So since then, Antiwana Dwana Vishna show, Mati?
No, but we still have songs, and I'm planning on releasing one of the songs we worked on next year.
If he doesn't push them, then it's confirmation or yeah.
No, he doesn't have to.
Mara, still, if he's there and he feels like he did.
Well,
good
me
in
now
terms
I'll
of
do the
verse.
protocol. Friend, I want to release this song. If you're free, come, let's do the thing.
It's a protocol. Not what you wanted to. But then, yeah, it's okay.
Arisa, atusufuni zvinongoita
Atina ruvaro.
aninalo
Ara ndova ndina ruvaro.
nina ruvaro.
Nah, man. No, ndikona zama humbulo bori. Okay, but then yeah, it's for protocol. Yeah, you must talk to him. Then we push
Nori
it.
muzikani, everything is done for protocol.
Yeah.
Yeah, ndikwambari ndingasiite Kingsley angasindisendere beat ne. Ndambodhimberera ndarufariro rukudia. Kingsley asokomangala ruka TikTok.
Yeah.
Zvidomfarana izvo zvithu. Ndori ene yangovuya Thomas endora demo, angobudzofiro recordwa. So it's protocol. That's how it works.
Yeah.
Mara tu utori ini ndosvika naye cropela party yori protocol. Namudisa batuni. Batu vambodhizvisa zvingavo.
Ini andiva ini. No, Mara, like, to confess this, I feel like you've robbed us about each other, of which I pray you is somewhere raro.
No, we're still gonna work, man.
Man, I don't know but I want you guys to work like you were doing before.
Yeah, we're still gonna work. Well, if really what I'm planning with the song that I want to release it goes nicely and the finances are meeting,
Yeah.
we're gonna work and you're gonna see us working.
Finances meaning uriniata nchibadela na features also.
No, VKD ava noni ri tova shela petrolo uri vate va ri jedzi video.
Oh, ba diwanga petrolo.
Athi ni chibadela muthu uva khwambo ri ni tea nchelela petrolo. Ndi nga ni vangana
Oh, so it's more like atikoro ni charge mara ita nuri ndi swika.
Kumfesesa ngungwana. Ngungwana.
Aliko par. KD. Kunwa.
Mara ndizo zizo ri tea shelela petrolo ri tea ya to destination za une ri khou dzhia hone dzi content zwi khou ṱoḓa tshelede ezo zwithu and ri nga suku ambara zwiṅwe zwa zwifhinga ri tea u bvisa ra ngei passage ya spa magulani ra swika ra renga zwiambaro
Mashirana na wana ke.
Mashirana ndo wana ndo vha ngala mfumakadzi palani indo what center Thandu una ofisi
Soto swika hayara nyane phala kana uto ndikweli renga.
Roto hayara
Sambona mtu nongo chata ngalo zwino zwa lwa vhukuma.
Kana ono ḓi chata ngalo.
I mean, I feel like we know so I believe it was
no, we're still gonna work, man.
Yeah.
That's a promise to the fans. We're still gonna work.
Uncle. And then also Kadamanga got features and then you got featured by King Munada on his recent album. How was the feeling then?
Monandi nandi yo
Don't you rain, but
that's my life. But it was nice, honestly. Well, hela feature yoda ngandela isongora berere yaho. There was once a time where ko trend a video ya nena rukidi ru performa. Ru performa mini zwa ELF makwarerange. Monada was also performing there. So Hudisani, the president of the ELF, was like, no man, I want you two guys to link up with King Munada.
Yeah.
And work on something. And I was like, hey, okay. Honestly, I didn't believe him. I don't want to lie. I didn't believe him. I'm like, this one.
This is far-fetched.
This one. No. And then he came. When he came, nenda no tuwa. Dandi block F. Dando no tuwa. Ndono the relaxer and kuwana kolo at the MGB road zurapa non. Rikunya gore rumo introduce ka King Munada rumo zori ninga kono shumana. I was like, okay, fine, sure. And then man, ndasvika nepala. Oh, okay. It's him.
Nachibona namkulu.
No, ndiye. Okay, fine, sharp. And then spoke there and then razama ubona uri calendar yawe yo imisa in terms of ngatari ni right sana. Then until we organized raya ninge richitowa hoba hu nne C4 Root Kid na una mtu kana wogera man if we brotherhood.
Oh yeah.
Oyu ane Rukido no vyaitanga na nyimbo ai committed akumarketera what tonga ndiye no brotherhood
Marona brotherhood
baba
abachigera hapo
Jerusalem. Yeah, that one. Ratuwa rarifu I think.
Kuita ni wogera.
I think he was the one that was driving us. Yeah. So we went there. The first day, we didn't do anything the first day. I think the second day in Dione, we went back there. No, man. I think we just need to find some time. Need to be you guys for a week. Gonna work out on more music.
Yeah.
And then I think Ratiore Rume Mudau. Because I think Nendandina gigi, if I'm not mistaken, Narut Kidovana event. Yeah. And then Ratodobara Umera. That's where in Richi Umera Futi, I think our whole trip was funded Ngahuri. Yeah. The president of the LF.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then Ryan Inge Rodzra Wege Yote, which Kovu, which was studio. Yeah. Ichivuari kushuma. Honestly speaking, ndino buzengo nenda sakuru zile nyimbo zitobvine.
Why I was interested kan. Markas videos za TikTok achizimeza utakara uniko posti wanyana nepala. Ndiko shumio.
Nenda ndishoba ndisakuru ndandishoko fongari tamsi hako tuzitakarela zvine zvakweimbiwa because I guess ndiri nne ndiyatavanyu ujaja mutu ngade way ni yako react ngayo. You get me? Yeah. So for me, I'm like, ndadobandari uri angajia nyimbo dza Kid na Mickey unodza Venda nge ndori andondo ndinodhitembesa ti mara pala ndosvika kela level yenda ndadinyaza to a point when I'm like I've forgotten about those songs.
Tamara uchiva na zva serious mudhidhinyaza.
Thumbs and the demon.
Yeah, at least I'm not amborunalo. Yeah, ne. And then also still speaking on the fallout, there's that thing here you have the statement I mean not temba lawyer, right?
Statement is what I mean.
Is it God?
Oh, the God.
I work with him in then. No, it doesn't also the real form, but Nangaini. Lawyer.
Na problem with hela ntuye the God akui itati. It was ish. I don't like content creators that baneba vusa ndwa bukati ha artist mbili. Especially with that one between nana makazi ni wanu kumturera makazi ndipori just leave out of it. She's already there and living comparani nena nanyi na Taylor Gele kana Slender Gele zviyapfesese ya mabana
ndinyo nokona ka Taylor Gele
ati Devi
nine
iti Devi
ndari mudzisi tino ri compare
ati penduli zezo penduli zvikwekwe tipenduli
yeah mara get your point
yeah ndikwambari ila video nduri and arara chekesa ati most of the people vanene baba kontevera ndi bathu bonotevera makadzi
yeah
so nadanari Mickey owako bifa makadzi ni vani kori Kingsley ono favor ono tevera makadzi ane zvino ukotomotevera na Mickey abvea Mickey ngori Mickey chadrerera chiko uita zvonyadza vaurani chiko va bifa and Mickey chachiko kudimbera ndinenda kutodimbera bonje
marang yeah ini mune manchidwa ngo
and the funny thing about that song is that ora rimbolo recordiwa
wait abendulipyo
ufunani ora rimbolo recordiwa even before she commented so there was like nothing but then people will always be people, man. They will connect dots that don't need to be connected.
Hey ninto dan
yeah
mara ini ninto dan yeah but if that's the case and then also like why we're too to like have some to solve was about this and to general statement
zvimwe zvithu zvati uri zviitwe ngenhindira vamwe vatu vafuna mbona
was it you kana was it management
it was Shakalimpani who did that for me
ufinyi
Shakalimpani
Shakalimpani
marava Shakalimpani
yeah ne madzino yeah marava Shaka it's fine and he's your manager ti
no
what is he then
I can just say it was just a helping hand ndinganda sanga muveika ka management budi mara he did a lot for me
what's the one thing that he did okay besides the poster channel now which is huge
yeah
what did he do besides that
most of the time he would take care of the finances when we shooting the music video you know things that needed to be paid for it was the one who would pay for it
so like ndikotusa mwana yana more like it and it's like he's just so talented for no randi tuse mwana
ngatomuudzise nemunezvo
azamonipa inji ana dzingo dzaikuita tinipa and then also if achiko there's a chance where there was a time where agoposta nyimbo dzawe ka channel yavo also so do you have that agreement or okay inini kodzijia and then just assist me where I need assistance
channel yavo ipi
the auna ntizobva ka King of Amapiano
no not that I know of
tingoridzione sadhana rinendinyonirwisa netinyakurisa vanhu
no not that I know of ati divi huna
yeah
ati divi huna mtu una
but so who's your manager if that's the case if
I don't have a manager
why not
tituwana manager ndingadori zvavudhi ndingasitoambori manager pese nne ndingari destiny helper because abe ni imagine ni zvihumbuleti uri manager asi manager dzina ndi manager mushumo ndi manager uri udonyisa gai oisa nyi gai uitira nyimini aya gai asvika gai ndanisokuvuwa nari Kingsley ndi manager wanga kana nasokuri nasokodoba muthu mumwe na mumwe ababhadhari nasokuri ndi manager wanga it doesn't work like that
manager mara like and manager.
Nenga
Okay, manager,
sinitenda.
and actually the manager, like if you can do this and this, or these are your qualities, then you can be my manager.
If you can get me to places where I can't get to
On your own.
on my own.
Places like
Studio
what?
sessions of
Yeah.
big artists. Because
Yeah.
I feel like I really need that. I really need to showcase my talent hangei
Yeah.
kabo urane.
Or Big Zulu.
And kwamba urane at the big artist.
Oh, yeah. And then, okay, if I come back, then what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to get you a feature? Then I can on tempo, I can do this. I can come and promise you, okay, let me be your manager, give me probation maybe. And then if I don't do it, say in the first year or the first 6 months, then I okay, so because nothing has seen this artist. Don't know, no right now. Actually, so how do you plan on getting that manager?
The first song besides than that, I would actually have you been a manager before? That would be my first question.
Yeah.
Because if you've never been a manager before, it will be heavy.
Yeah.
Because imagine arari nazikona unjenisa studio na
Big artist.
na Kabza the Small.
That's what you want.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. Na njenisa studio na Kabza the Small. Ndatomo booma boom. Because you're my manager now, you need to manage me there. You need to manage me. Bookings, the way I wear, the way what. When the first song I read, that's the mshumo muranesa wa manager. Ndingaba ndi wrong kana ndi right, I don't know.
No, remember this about you. And I should the manager. When I'm the manager, the whole brand.
Yes. Nduri, it must not be about him or her.
Yeah.
It must be
Which
about
is the problem
me.
lately.
Yes.
Managers go.
They want to be there, and you can't push the both. You know, you need to push one. And why are you pushing yourself? Because you are getting paid for that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Kwambari, I am Nduri, ini ko pusha nne as a brand. Mara nne ndiko pusha ini as a brand. I'm not sure if you go first. Hey, you get me?
Yeah.
Cause but do sorry, mikoro wana management muswa. Hey, ndingi ndishashtoka na Kingsley Munada ndicho nokumpusha. Oh, natoma wana zwi text for mom rapper. Nanda kumulumanage. You even start getting opportunities.
Yeah.
For that.
That's true.
Because the work that you're putting on MickeyBlack, ndi mushumo onoko bonara and onoko tamisa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get him. And also, speaking of the brand, okay, they push in, push on. So I'm trying to go to that thing because no finding a rumor. You're apa boy, maginya nani on the other. Ukamba za rumor ya wewe ya traka. I bet the guy fell it.
Oh la la.
Guy?
As a young giant.
The guy be to my rumor ni maginya. Hey, Wufu, also side the Wufu. If Wufu on
Ngange Donald Fraser.
You know
Hospital.
It. Yeah, so let's go back to the brand now. There was a thing that booked you. Why do you go say you're never this one? I said this one.
Okay.
So you get there. What do you perform? You go perform Tarakan.
Yeah.
Ngamrawa Taraka, Lirna Baga, guys. Over the Baga, Karaya, that's a very
That's over you.
Get worse. The flat bed.
Well,
Yeah, so what happened there?
honestly speaking, I didn't have a problem with Ugobeli Atarakana perform. Because what I was going there for was the money and to please and make my supporters happy.
Yeah.
But my problem was Ela Ataraka lalo wolwangangwando. And the last one was straight, lalo Venda.
Oh.
The worst part of it all, how's Nama bouncer? Rune arandanga ndiko subai. Asa dobana muto no dong wala kana antusa or anything. And then dichishika apalani hey, ya deba mara. Dichishika apalani do fara Mike uko tambo aruimbo ndiko emberera. Ndiri stage chi guy.
Was matraka. How are you going to say?
utokubebewa kasi
It gets worse.
well honestly speaking ne
Yeah.
nenda ndikotopa uri abenda wapa la ndavhunde ya mulenje expense dza medical adzika 4 adzingavika veiwe veiwe ndingapfesa uri miko vaisara kaisiwe zvibhadhera mara zvichiya ndenda ndokosa ndikodionga pala pitu so veiwe ndova notakadza vathu vavei uri arodhisa MickeyBlack mara then I was like hey as long muthu mwe na mumwe ombona zvori ndoda zvotovori zvatarakapo zvomubharera and by the way ndonoperforma katraka but that one was safe
over a baga
dzadzovhariwa those obona I think it's 4 guys that were standing 1 2 3 4 vavoima namsi ndichigonya ngakazi nanepo ndogonya ngakazi nanepo ndogonya ngakazi zvavula makazi ende futi avotoita stepisi zvavudi otonamira nato zvavudi ndatothusiwa zvavudi ndagonya namsi ndichitsa vamupfara chanda vari nditse so that's you could see uri rishumisa zvezvi Mickey pano but we won't let you fall. We got you nduri setting yaone yoba concerning but you could see uri they care the people boy itao so VanGee zoba chisokova uri chimba no perform tironbidza.
So what happens after that? Do you give them their money back or you're like, hey, I bet no daveno data zvavewe so ndikuma nayo?
Ndos bompa deposit the remaining balance yako ndiyakotiyopiwa yone after performing. So ndandikubva kure. So the deposit I was like no, deposit always it's non-refundable.
Mara wako kuitoda?
Yeah, baba kuitoda. Ndatori vanhu navashu nandoshumisa petrol svika pano. Veona nsumbedza traka leri na ngwana lo bendawo so ndikotoitisa hani honestly speaking aralo vosi pfindi ngwando kana mini mara ndadova ndogonya mara ndandochuwo uri habe ndingasuva apalani ende ndasuva ndawa zvidoshonisa
utotrendezva achazotrenda nopfi hey mini
exactly
stage chachitova traka mara it's okay man. It's
it happens. That's ndimusi niko aruwa in the music industry. Tangana nazvo.
Yeah, no tangana zvizhinji bari.
Zvinji sa.
Okay. Also, okay, rakamba brand na mini. And then I've seen you most of the times at Chapit. You wear that thing you're made in Venda. Are they also there like but when wakumwambadza?
They were. They then stopped.
What happened?
I don't know. I think there was a certain trouser I wanted, ne? Obula buruku.
Custom made kana owona before kabo.
Ndoto bubona ka artist. Ti ndabasumbeza chinepe. Because when we talked, batching approach her to say no, we want to dress you as nda and you promote us. They said even if nina idea zori nikotodo ambarasahani, please do contact us. We will deliver. I think problem yoba hapo ndichiboite hezo. Baba said deliver. Ndo plan ori I want to wear that thingy ka a certain event. They didn't deliver. Now and that ori ndigidima na mashop on the tent. And I'm like arare zuna rotendera no ori do. Shumisa so what's supposed to happen now? Ndibonga ndiko ni putera pressure. Yori itani hezvi tsongo you know. Then I was like no man, let me just but I still do wear them even now.
Yeah, obviously zvawe. It's not like
ati vamwe vanga diri ndizviumise visanzi zvikipa zvanga already.
Okay, and then also akamba soti uri ushimana as a brand like na made in Venda yes already. So like do those people just give you clothes and okay you're an artist in the tusa but then they're not going to give you anything monetary? So it was
I think that was clothes. Also the problem.
Yeah. Uko bado ngashkipa
iwe uziyambisa zvimwevo
ena kadibuzisi aipindura nemara ndori uko bado ngashkipa ripori
ndeko bado ngashkipa
but then as long as you were happy and then also
not for me at that time because ndandikotothoma upfara there was a concern uri Mickey wambarisa hani so for me when they approached I was like thank God
speaking of that, no one my guy. Recently. Where's mom? The guy. What's the director allowed?
Munati chicken.
Munati.
Me wanenda ndo kufando rwela mama na.
Mama.
I know, but I get a stylist. For the moment, I don't have one, so I just figure out how to put on something. For me, I demand konya guambara chitu chine kana zviambaro zvine. You will look at me. You
like,
get me.
Look at me.
When I get in stage, you might not be listening to the song, but you will look at me.
Because of what I'm wearing.
When you bump into me, you will know it's me because you looked at me.
Ufana makazi la shunga ashidambara zwa Beyonce zwa mapapa. Was it Royal Gardens? Royal Heritage? Yeah, 2024. No, 2023 I think. Yeah, such things. No, look at the example, like you had to look at her. And it is when I said,
you must look at me.
Do you have a song with her?
No, not yet.
But you're working on something?
Not yet.
Did she book you for the thing?
One woman show?
Gigs?
Yes. She double booked me.
That's nice. Then when you phone, I'm not going to that.
Yeah. Ngoso ko mujenisa kazvikotobora zvapasi amkwava.
Hey. Yes, obviously I'm going. And then also too, I get all this singing partner meaning, but then I've also heard a story of you like losing your mom and amenity. So I want us to touch on that towards the end. Is there ever a point in when you're making music? Because out there I'm working so do you sort of like feel like ndibani kunyagwa amba now shuzvinonga zvizvila shuzvine ndiyakoneta rwimbo ngazvo rather than that creator and then something like that, like sort of nyimbo dzao is based on your life experiences. Is that what happens? And then also does it touch on what happened with you with your mom?
It does a lot. I think, man. You know. My life changed. Of course, it had to change.
Yeah.
When I lost my mother, and certain things, I started seeing them differently. From having your mom as your best friend to having your best friend no more. We were close to a point where ndachifesora tutodi mungana waitani ndina myanga.
Oh yeah.
So always all the time when I have to sing zvivana zvine zvajenerera somehow zvivana uri muthu ndo oimba izvinoni nasedza background yava beni zumbre zori muthu hana mme so angasiri chopandara ngori my mother was the breadwinner. So you need to understand, Yuri. She gets in every way. And Nami also, I don't want to forget her.
Yeah.
I don't want to. I want a legacy to leave, to say you raised a woman that's gonna make you proud even when you're dead. Yeah.
Is there any song that you've done for her specifically?
Yes, hey. Yeah, nyadiba ufuri ni tesa zvitu. And the runi tesa zvitu ngambiti na sara nichizosedza na divusori mandala ndo mawana guy. Because when my mother just bachitovo urisia, I released an EP about her. Meaning chironda chova chikadisisima maropa chikadisisima chino. Honestly speaking, I don't listen to those songs. I don't, because even now I ask myself, no mawana guy manda o kono uimba nga muthu ane ndisho no sina basa tusina kwambari baba kadito volova. But I sang about her, and I made a song, and I made an EP. Even though I don't listen to those songs, I think another reason why I don't listen to the songs is because my mother used to sing, and those songs, it was guilt to say you didn't make a song when she was alive with her. So now at least to do something when she's gone, which I don't want it to happen to my dad. So people, you must just expect a song with me and my dad.
Like a song, you know,
Yes.
Vaimba dzipio kuti yavo.
My dad vaimba gospel. Mara nditova Genesis tune.
Vana. Wewe vakaita choko Jesus tune. No man. Aba imbo nabo gospel and then ivula zve vakuimba matomoni. Do something like that. Rewa foko dia nabo. So let him be, man. Don't do that to him.
I know.
Okay, and then also in an industry, there isn't much of women. Like there's you, like what Gang, you did mention the Muslim girl also. There's just a few of you. How do you think you guys are surviving in this industry? It's male dominated. You're not surviving the way you said.
Not the ngoja kuma. Tidozwa ndingaipindrisane mbuso.
Uko survive one mara.
Yeah, we surviving. We are ndasvika hapo nonezvamba kusurvive. We are ambona ndiko china nge ndo ambara sasli mama this stage. Zvamba ndiko survive. Uko chimi wandifa ngari ndipfesesa ngari ni especially no mfumakazi. Nitio diva zvino nakotoda.
Yeah.
Please know what you want, because I think vatukana va music industry vayazvivona zvori ni desperate hani to make money and to feed your family. Vanyakunijera zichansi mara vangasinijere zichansi nizida zvongotoda mini. Ne, honestly speaking, for women in the music industry, serious. Because if anything happens in the music industry, you know ningasumbu래 tambo, but you ndakuwa na JCV na apply mushumo na shuma buchura ya panda. Yeah.
And chikoro kuita.
Chikoro ndikuita.
On the side, kana unopedza you just waiting zvamuzika zvichito flop hey again to yanga ndi uforera na vangu.
Ndoferesa techni Venda zvino ndapedzisa North Tech ndorendera results. Mara there's also a leadership that I'm also busy with at North Tech.
Oh.
Yeah, so zvachikoro ngongo zvakuma nene ngasikone ndaricha shem. Muzika wasvika une waremera ndozvifa zvori nikonya kungala ndikobhoriwa ndikunu nafanoneta
ndikuona dzibeef kavewewo inji zvinanga tozviambawo
ya ungazviambisa zvezvo mara rikodikondisora vuchiro nawo risikobifiwa.
Are the gatekeepers that are gatekeeping you? The way I show you rikokondisora vuchiro, there's probably something along those lines.
Yeah.
Really?
Hutovori botiri.
Nani madini finuru ngotava. Ayendi kutoipa.
Hutovori botiri. Arari nenda ndari ndikombera 500. Yori nimbuke. Ninari ndompa 100 randa.
Oh.
Nivani konkorera. Ngori now we under 500 randa ndingori ndo valera expenses dzanga ndapfesori. Zidoita 500.
Are you expensive to book?
No, I'm not. I am not shame. But ngori hodara hodara un over negotiate.
Oh.
Ndidzororo budzofi ndifunesa chirede mara zoruka.
So mara zoruga. Yeah, oh, at the same time. Yeah, but then
Zoruga. I believe so much, Corey. And ndosvika chipenga chine, I would just say an amount and you would ndozvifa it's worth it.
Yeah.
Umwana kushuma mavana nikombono kushuma echirede mupeni ade anitere mushuma wave unake. Zvazvino ndiyapfesesa abo shem.
Yeah.
And ndiyapfesesa ndingamuzoni namso uchi negotiate wawe ndiyapangura mandebe ndapfa furi negotiation yawo neku tsapa susvika gai then ravono rishumisa.
And then speaking of the one kushuma usvika vachizvidewa zori into what are you working on 2026 richkovhara? What's coming to our ears?
2026, I am working on a project. Atikonya album, ngori zvingada zvangondera zva album.
Yeah.
But it was supposed to be all about love, but it's all gonna be all about heartbreak. I think it's gonna be released February if everything gets planned very nice. Yeah.
Are you going through a breakup? Heartbreak is
I've already went through it. The right is no kana mngana. Ndishapka?
Marango dzako dzingwana then mus achikadiva through the thing.
Yes, some of them.
Oh, okay.
And some of them we're gonna talk with the beat.
Okay.
Zezin.
Yeah, and then before we close, give me your top 5 vocal artists that you feel like Farasa Venda, like Wakurisa Pedro, the vocalist. That's top 5, and then after that, I'm paid the book in details. Yeah.
Top 5. Ndisa kwamba any order ndikuzo kwamba ti? Ndikuwa kwamba.
Kamera order.
Na.
From 5 to 1. Okay, however you say it, neither those are opens and number 1.
Okay.
And also you can include yourself in that.
I can?
Yeah, in the top 5.
No, exclude me.
Okay, it's fine. I know those are guy cover.
Vocalist.
Yeah.
Vocalist. Hey.
Anything that goes to the mic and sings.
JR player.
Okay. Number 5.
No, I must be JR account number 5.
Arumi second in the 1.
In the 1.
Okay, Rotomanta JR player 1.
Venda. Mpoele.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Very good. Taylor Girl.
Didn't go sometime. She's very good.
Taylor Girl. Ivan. Vocal, anything that goes to the mic and sings.
Yeah.
Namizo.
Last one.
The last one. I'm trying to think, man. Do you know artists in the Venda?
The bunch.
Kadambatar.
Muzibona. That's when you remember in Zan.
Let's start recording.
Arife.
Last one. Ish. Oh no, Brony asieni. It doesn't. I don't know.
Na papriko undi ono vocalist amado. No, Don Rico.
In me, I need to kumbra honestly speaking. I think
you did your top 4.
Yeah,
that's it. Okay, it's fine. And then for those that may want to book you now, it's Gigizia to move 2026 next diva. So yes. How can people book you? Na mini but when wanda kwenye gobona basani devi or rimbukisa ni bako gatekeeper wachina go book Mickey. How do they do that?
MickeyBlackOfficial@gmail.com. That's my email. You can do bookings there. Facebook now, it's MickeyBlack. There are details on how to book me there.
Yeah.
And you can also contact me on those social media platforms. But don't send hey and hi.
Straight to the point.
Okay. Yeah, randito nipa nombro za booking ngore ndafa zanga za personal nimbu batu bambo the phone na bukatea usiku.
Oh, booking ukatea usiku ajeni.
Ababa ko phone na booking.
Oh, and ko
baba ko phone imbeliwa.
Baba phone na 6 ari imali. Nishmunga 24.
Ndikori nga 7 kana nga 9 kana nga 10 muthi afone ari Mickey ndikombero imbeliwa. Just bring a copy dziko welera.
Supporters, they love you.
Oh my god.
That's fine. I have a number 4.
065-576-5213.
Okay. Guess onifa nimubuke mwana niwasimbeze bathu nokumbuka nga
chitano. And atidori.
Yes, ura
I'm very affordable.
Yeah, yes. So this episode was brought to you by MR21 in a quality oneno idisiranga Vapanda Studios. When Valawendambor, if new on a Vendana meaning and you can always book them via mobile, via one across South Africa and via. So yeah, you contact us 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com and then MR21 phone rawaone then it. So as we're closing onombra mbona kudorimba rogo spell river kovara. I'm be a band River.
That was unexpected.
Just a verse nyana arwe gospel. Azimbedzi maginyo waziyo maginya chimba. Amfisi.
Badzura botoraro abashandukiswi ngamatata murena atembe yawo zvarini narini kare udula lijwalo afetouré qui maemo les ratolai yeah the face
Ngizongona lidulali. Abenanonela pati. Guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Always subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Ni share na watu wale watsina. Ni wale wakule if ngofonga. You can reach them. Just share the link and then yeah, let's grow the culture. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Ndone vhudza zwo ri podcast ina mudzimu nga ngomu
Ende azawukuma.
Rari zwinwele.
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on 3. Road of Hanu, and I there a company chair.